A single opportunity can change a life, a chance denied to so many. In Indonesia, there's over 67,000 marginalized children on the street, and with 71% of them not receiving formal education, they're locked out of opportunity. Unlike just giving out food or big one-time events, at Sweet Bakes with Kids, we use baking to indirectly teach different types of desserts that facilitate their creativity, grow their skills, and empower them through this experience. Our impact is clear, creating and opening up a brighter future for marginalized kids on the street through baking. Sweet Bakes with Kids is built to last. Even after my core team graduates from high school, our mission is lifelong. We've created scalable chapters allowing students from other schools to launch their own chapters, bringing direct and widespread change to marginalized kids across Jakarta and the cities around it for years to come. And finally, as the founder and leader of Sweet Bakes with Kids, I believe that by winning the Zayed Sustainability Prize, not only will it mean so much more, but it'll also be able to let us focus on our mission and vision of being able to give impact, opportunity, and make way for these kids' future. Because I believe that not only our kids are present, but they're also our future for change.